Now there's yet another kind of cell that we haven't drawn on here that's really important. And that's the cell that's going to line this whole space that I'm drawing here. So it's going to go around the outside of this whole clump of capillaries and mesangial cells. But these cells look kind of weird, and that's why I didn't just draw them right away over here. To show you what they look like, let's actually go over to this drawing over here. And so here's the cell body of one of these cells that we're talking about. And what's cool about them is that the way they cover these capillaries is that they have these arms that reach out, and then those arms have these little fingers that wrap around the capillaries and cover the glomerulus. So each arm has a lot of these fingers. And what's really cool about these guys is that there's multiple of these cells covering one glomerulus. And so let's draw another one over here. Here's another cell body. And what's really cool is that they may actually reach out and intertwine their fingers. So here's another arm, and I'm showing that the fingers from this arm are intertwining with the fingers from this arm to help cover the whole glomerulus. So let's draw one of these cells over here on this diagram. So here would be its cell body sitting on top of this capillary mesangium clump. And then here would be some little fingers maybe coming off the arm of that cell. And I'm just showing kind of the intersection of those fingers as you see them, because we're cutting through to make a 2D picture here. Then maybe here we have another cell body and some more little fingers visible. So let's finally name these guys. What are they called? Podo Sites. So why are they called podocytes? Well, pod means foot, like you can think of podiatrist. And these little things that I was calling fingers are actually not called fingers, even though that's what they kind of seem like to me. All these little things are actually called foot processes. So they're little foot processes that come off of the podocytes.